A large, quiet family homestead presents as a newly remodeled modern farmhouse west/all new construction features to include plumbing, wiring, and drywall. The 3,284 plus square foot home includes 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths with Delta faucets. Granite and new kitchen cabinetry backdrop, new appliances. 97% TVA efficiency rating west/new windows, HVAC, and ample insulation. Hardwood and new carpet complement new paint throughout. The 2-story, detached 2-car garage offers ample storage.